Today we're gonna test new iteration of miniRaman on different kind of stresses. And we have Alexei, who help us with shooting the process, and Lightnovo team for the rest of the impact on this guy. So let's try to turn on the laser. Yes? This is a live image on a big screen here. Laser is on. Yeah. We all protected with the glasses, and you can see the live spectrum of the inbuilt reference channel on the screen. Yeah. So first kind of test. How about it goes here? Oh, look, shines. But we did this test before, yeah? For a couple of hours. It can be in the water in 1 meter. So this is perfectly fine. Yeah, good. And how about the signal level? It was a little bit more than 4 digits, and it's still the same. Okay. Ay. How is it? Still the same. Data has been transferred. Oh! Still works! Really? And signal. It's the same. Oh, there was some perturbation, but it comes back. Very good. Oh. Very nice. Okay, stress it more. Stress it a bit more.
One more drop?
Yeah, you see, it's still perfect. Let's crack this guy finally. Where is the threshold? No, that's too little. Oh, you see, it actually reacts a bit and then comes back, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Laser still works. I just don't see the laser through the glasses. So I should. Now I see it. Okay. And still good. Yeah. How about the signal? Still very good. Yeah. Wow. Huh. Very nice.
Okay.
There is nothing that we can do to break this unit. Okay. And thank you everyone for your attention. This is the test. Thanks a lot, Alexei.